my name is Vanesa. I'm grade 6 and today I will do a presentation about exotic animal in Papua. There is a lot of exotic animal in Papua, but I will explain just 3 of them. The first one is bird of paradise. The second one is Casuarius benedi. And the third one is Gora victoria. So let's get started. Exotic in reference to animals simply could mean any non-native animal or species. Today, I will show you exotic animal in Papua, Indonesia. The first one is bird of paradise. The bird of paradise are songbirds of the family Paradiseidae. They live in eastern Indonesia, Maluku, Papua New Guinea, Torres Strait Island, and eastern Australia. Best known are the members of the genus Paradise, including the type species, the greater bird of paradise, Paradisea apoda. The second one is Casuarius benedi. Casuarius benedi is found on the island of New Guinea. The majority of the population resides in Papua New Guinea, on the eastern side of the island. These birds are also found on the island of New Britain and Japan, but their presence on this island is likely due to extensive trade in casuarius from New Guinea. The third one is Gora victoria. The Victoria crowned pigeon or Gora victoria is a large blushy gray pigeon with elegant blue lace-like crest, maroon breast, and red irises. It is part of a genus or Gora, of 4 unique, very large, grunduling pigeon, native to the New Guinea region. The bird may be easily recognized by the unique white tips on its crest and by its deep whooping sound made while calling. Its name commemorates the British monarch Queen Victoria. This is the end of my presentation of exotic animal, and thank you for your attention. Bye-bye!